Make text wiggle. First of all, select the text tool, write here your text, and then select the selection tool. You can increase the text size just like this. Now go to effects and search for turbulent displace and add the turbulent displace effect on your text. Now just go to effect controls, scroll down. Under turbulent displace, here you will find amount. You can go ahead and change the amount. I'm adding 40. You can also change size. I'm giving 30. Then make sure to put the playhead at the 0 second. Then expand evolution options. Here enable random speed toggle animation. Then you have to move the playhead at the last part, and then again add another keyframe, and here give 30. And now let's play the video, and here you can see my text is now wiggle. If you want to change animation or size, you can just change this amount and size value. You can also change random speed value for your animation. That's it.